Let's talk about the EIA process. The stages of an EIA process will depend upon the requirements of the country or donor. However, most EIA processes have a common structure, and the application of the main stages is a basic standard of good practice. In general, the environment impact assessment consists of 8 steps, with each step equally important in determining the overall performance of the project. In general, the environment impact assessment consists of 8 steps, with each step equally important in determining the overall performance of the project. The 8 steps of the EIA process are screening, scoping, impact analysis, mitigation, reporting, review of EIA, decision-making, and post-monitoring. And if the project requires EIA, then what level of assessment is required is determined. Scoping. This stage identifies the key issues and impact that should be further investigated, also defines the boundary and time limit of the study. Impact analysis. This stage of EIA identifies and predicts likely environmental and social impact of the proposed project and evaluates the significance. Mitigation. This step in EIA recommends the actions to reduce and avoid the potential adverse environmental consequences of development activities. Reporting. This stage presents the result of EIA in a form of a report to the decision-making body and other interested parties. Review of EIA. It examines the adequacy and effectiveness of the EIA report and provides information necessary for the decision-making. 7th, decision-making. It decides whether the project is rejected, approved, or needs further change. 8th, post-monitoring. This stage comes into play once the project is commissioned. It checks whether the impacts of the project do not exceed the legal standards and implementation of the mitigation measures as described in the EIA report. I hope the process of EIA in generic is clear to you all. See you in next video.